Hello folks, I'm going to University of Florida. So now I'm actually just gonna eat some soybean broth thing. It's called 豆花 in Chinese. It's like bean flour.
Hi, this is Priscilla and I don't know why I filmed this vlog. I would say that vlogs are a really weird social construct, but I decided to follow it.
Life moves pretty fast.
So welcome to a week in my life and tons of small talks in my hand, mental breakdowns here and there, tons of studying, socializing with some friends, and of course a lot of editing.
Good morning folks, and today is Saturday, 8 a.m.
So of course I'm gonna start with the ritual of the day, which is doing yoga. This is one of my favorite things of my morning routine.
Hopefully I can show you guys this week how you can max your time and live a really productive lifestyle, because I guess everybody's aiming for that high grade, high status, high productivity type thing. It's kind of like glamorous and wonderful type life, but I don't know what's going on. Actually, now it's time for filming. Probably a good way to spend my Saturday. Let's just get filming.
You're about to Chinese way everything by trying to improve your test. So please kids, listen up to me. Don't be watching this video when you're actually supposed to be studying. So now back to the main topic is how.
And after freaking 2 hours of filming, well, this is just a talking video because nobody's like freaking watching it. I only have 36 subscribers. Woohoo! And hopefully I'll grow my channel someday. Talking to a camera for a living might be something true. Who knows? Just cleaning up everything. There's a bunch of mess there. This mirror has arrived since last weekend. I didn't even clean it. It's just blocking my eyes when I'm doing stuff, and it's so heavy because I stocked up a year of Kiehl's stuff because there were a discount over the weekend. Just held a bunch because I'm going out with a few friends later, so I'm actually not eating anything. My time zones are even messed up. Now it's lunchtime, not freaking dinner, okay? Plus a cup of coffee with my lovely Nespresso machine, which I always love. It's like the spark of the joy in the day. So now I'm actually just gonna eat some soybean broth thing. It's called 豆花 in Chinese. It's like bean flour. I don't think you can translate that into English. So yeah, and here's some soy milk. Just all soy in my life. I'm gonna be on time because next train comes in like 15 minutes. We live in like this such little countryside place. Can't miss a train.
Well, I actually ended up going to the other station closer to my house. My house is like in between two stations, and I'll be meeting up with my friend. What else is in life? Always running for something, because there's always that goal you gotta make. And my hair is like so messy right now. The wind. Hopefully I look good.
We ended up going to this mall because we didn't make it to this Japanese restaurant from yesterday, and there's this saying about Japanese restaurants in Valencia: finding a good Japanese restaurant is like finding a rare Pokemon. And interesting enough, this shop is called Korean Sushi, so they sell both types of food. It's honestly such a steal to get both types of food at once. So as you can see, there's some sushis and bibimbap, which is a type of Korean beef rice thing. Okay, the Koreans are quaking, and this is the bill. So later we went to stock up on Nespresso coffee capsules and get a free cup of coffee shot. Trying to get the perfect shot of the coffees cheering together. Aesthetics are screaming out of the roof right now. So here you can see the free shampoo and parsley from the monkey brain hopping out of me again. So the next stop is this Flying Tiger shop. I don't know who named it, but it's pretty dope and cool. This shop sells a lot of super aesthetic and cheap things, and it feels so nice to walk in it. It gives you this calm and soothing feeling of looking at super cute things, kind of like a drug addiction, I have to say. They have a lot of outlandish things. They even have slippers for you to walk around the house and clean it at the same time, or even a pencil sharpener for carrots. So I got a little basket for my keys and a travel comb. All the way back and ready to be a house mouse again.
So now I'm ready for some studying, and now it's 6:36 p.m. I'm gonna do my Spanish homework. I'm currently learning the future tense, so good luck with that. Spanish conjugation is so hard compared to English. Grinding my way through my Saturday. And still got that microbiology grinding, and I guess I'll just show you some of my studying methods. A really memorization heavy subject. I would like to start on this really early so I can use active recall and spaced repetition so I can review it every single day so it will retain in my brain.
So here I'm just entering all the key terms into Quizlet, but an important note here is not to do this before you have understand everything.
Good morning, people. Today is a Sunday and I'm leaving for Spanish class. Woohoo! And I had a really chilled afternoon and hopefully I don't get late to class. It takes like 10 minutes to walk there, so wish me luck.
So on the way to Spanish class, I ran into this red vintage car that I've never seen before. And I've never seen this car again. So on to the Spanish part, and what the heck are those grammar? Right back from Spanish class.
I'll be probably editing my how to study video because I'm looking at my YouTube stats and I have like no idea what to do. And it's pretty hard. I'm under some stress complications now. How to get that good grade and maintain that YouTube productiveness going. It's such a pain in the butt when you do stuff and then you don't get the result that you wanted, because the result is not under your freaking control. Because if they like you, they just like you. If they don't like you, they just like you. They have to like your content first and then stay for your personality. That's how the whole YouTube thingy works. That brain development on the part of the journey and trust is going strong right there. Today will be like a less productive day. Today is like a sloppy Sunday because Monday I got 6 hours of class, spicy 6 hours.
After that mental breakdown and self-montage and critic thing, I decided to watch the Disney movie Brave, and it really helped with my burnout.
Hello folks, this is so real and it feels so weird to be talking at camera before I sleep. And I gotta get that 8 solid hours of sleep. It's so important for productivity. This is also another tip, so hopefully you guys are sleeping enough. Today was actually kind of a burnout. I had a lot of time trying to recover from my burnout, prevent a little bit more with that, and plan and not stuff everything in my planner every single day. Just another daily life in a workaholic. And I'll see you guys tomorrow then. I'll be talking to a camera in the morning again. And good night. This probably looks nicer. All shiny and good. I'm a good place to go to sleep, man.
Oh, I love Monday. How much I love it. It's freaking dark outside right now. Spain sun came out at like 8:30 p.m. That's time gonna be alright.
Nice with this tea for my morning. I actually now have to hop into my online university homework situation. I'm going to University of Florida online because I'm not satisfied with my education right here. And I'm gonna hop on my computer and probably start writing my introduction.
This research paper has some weird, wild variables. It's content analysis of sexual objectification in music videos. That was a long word and I can't say it properly. After long work, it's lunchtime.
I just worked out, yay! And what else is new? Going late for class, just 10 minutes until 2 o'clock now.
And outfit of the day? I guess some cam t-shirt and some random shorts. Well, bye! Running off to class. I had microbiology that day and it was a whole lot of information because it was before the test and I need to stay focused in class. I actually listened quite a lot that day. And after microbiology, we come to the favorite time of the week. It is painting! It is such a break free from the day and not giving a shit on what other people think and entering my own sanctuary. I've been dating oil painting for a long time, longer than any of my partners. It's been 10 years with this relationship with you. So I wonder when I'll get married with you. So same with this painting. I've been working and sculpting on this painting for the past 6 months. As you can see how much detail is on it. And now to this current day in January, it is still not done. Obviously, the morning starts with some studying again. You know, when you enter uni and you think there's no more class, you hate again. But here's a subject that I hate. Here, I'm not gonna use active recall because I have not understood any of those concepts. And yet, I'm bad at physics. Still, I need to Pavlov dog myself and that I will pass this subject so there's no more pain.
Running to class again and I'm gonna be like 10 minutes late, but whatever.
outfit of the day. Does it even count? Whatever. Teachers there because mostly teachers like freaking late all the time. It's pharmacology, so got a lot of stuff going on right there with our bodies and how the drug helps us. Muy bien.
After pharmacology, I got excited and started assembling my little puzzle lamp. I feel so accomplished after this. Although it's just an exploration and playing thing, it took me like 3 days to make this thing. Or I'm just so bad with logical and space things since my math is also really bad. That's probably why. I am done. I am so tired and it is 11 now. My brain is just mush of microbiology again. Tomorrow is more studying and I'm publishing my video for Thursday. And good night. See you guys tomorrow. Be like 5 minutes late, so does that count as late? I'm gonna get running every day. This is like a little workout for me because I don't work out much at home, just some abs, butt, and like full body HIIT exercises for like 20 minutes. Brain guys like staring at me with my phone in front of me. There's nobody fucking vlogs here. Okay, bye. Microbiology is pretty fun. I'm gonna look at germs in the light microscope. Yay! It's actually just 11:02 and I'm outside class already, so I'm gonna go start. Yeah, the professor ended up being late here. In this lab class, we cultivated bacteria from our nasal cavity, teeth, and hands. And on a relating note, I'm kind of like a gram-negative bacteria because I'm not that positive or outgoing. I just stay at home all day and be a house mouse. So one of the only reason for me to leave the house is for grocery shopping. Ooh, and that's kind of a nice transition, Priscilla. So I just got some milk, egg, corn, and of course my favorite thing in Spain is jamon. And on the way back home, I can't even wait for it. I just directly opened the pack and stuffed one piece in my mouth and hanging it off like that.
Hi my friends, I'm actually back home now, but my roommate's in the kitchen, so I can't really film right now. Got a matcha cake from my roommate. It's actually pretty good, but kind of gooey and sweet at the same time. The bottom crumb of it is actually pretty good. And I'm gonna make this really delicious yogurt bar thing that I always eat as my snack. And I'm done with the rest of the day. I don't have any class. I love that microbiology teacher so much. She's insanely articulate. Microbiology teacher, she explains stuff so clearly that I don't even have to ask her again. So I guess I'm gonna cook my lunch now. Beef, lettuce, and egg. And some baked sprinkling onion that I bought. I love this thing.
$2,000 years later.
Hello folks, now it's like freaking 9:40 already and I got some work done, mildly some. I still got tons of editing to do. This vlog's on me pretty shitty, but who knows? I don't know how I'm gonna puzzle everything together with editing Priscilla. So now back to work again. This is about life multitasking again. It's about having my face cared and editing done at the same time. After editing, I'm just probably gonna go to sleep. So, good night. Good morning, folks. I feel like this vlog's getting more boring and boring because I'm just doing work in front of my computer. Now it's pathology because I got this worksheet to do and more studying of microbiology again. Microbiology brain mush going. The third one is my introduction and paper.
Girl, I don't know what you were saying at that time, but I'm gonna explain it again. So I need to read this paper. Also understand the methods and results with it because I have a quiz for it. This sounds very exciting.
So now is on to lunch break. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna make some, like 4 eggs in here. I'm gonna make some Japanese fried egg and some chicken breast again. Same old chicken breast. Ta-da! And a bag of cauliflower. So let's get cooking. Some time for audio book.
You are here the full range of their options.
Book addict.
If they can't
I
meet your
haven't finished this book in such a long time. I'm gonna
like they
continue
did with the
cooking.
fresh
Pot's really cool. It looks like this. It's actually pretty square. First order is to swipe that pan with some oil and then fry the first layer of egg.
one of the things that you can do Command Z in life too. Fun fact, right? And then you turn and flip until there's a little small egg pillow formed, and repeating the process until voila, it's a big egg pillow at the end. It's kind of like layers of egg fabric somehow, and trust me, it looks super delicious. It's one of my favorite Japanese food. I'm running late to class now. I'm going again. Bye bye. And now I'm finally back home and I'm done with class. Cocaine ecstasy that makes me high, but not now because my brain's just a pile of crap right now. Good night. Hopefully you guys don't find this vlog too boring. You've enjoyed the week with me. See you guys next week. Bye bye.